Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 6 count.
Maddie.
Peter.
So, we did like technique today. We really got the feeling of some stuff. So, a little bit of leading phone. We just talked about this, that wind up on the rock step, that big round rock step to start a tuck turn. So instead of push really hard or doing kind of nothing, we talked a lot about here, trying to have the followers really connect here, and leaders connect here, and then we open that door and we close that door. We use this hand to agree. It doesn't do a big push, but it opens up a lot, makes it a lot clearer. So we spoke a lot more loudly than leaders, boom. And then here on the tuck, we close a lot, and the leader's going to catch more of the left side of the followers back instead of the middle. If we do that, the followers keep on turning, and then we can get this reverse for the tuck turn. It goes together all like this. Open, catch. Then we did the inside turn right afterwards. The inside turn, we just wanted to have it here where we're going basic rock step. And then we put a little extra on it. We use that to make the shape. Please remember you're making that loop-de-loop, kind of 45 degrees over and around the head. And followers and leaders both. We're going, here we do this, we're going to do that inside turn. 4, 6, 7, 8, rock step, triple step, triple step. We both practice that. We're a little diagonal on each of those triple steps. And a lot of people, leaders and followers, both, we're a little bit flat. Here, you never quite finish. If you're here, life is a little easier. So, when we do this turn, we got basic, and a little extra, we keep on going. Trying to get some more feeling in there. We did a bunch of practice. Everyone got feeling a lot better. We did a bunch of social dancing practice as well. We're going to do more next week. This is the homework. Rock, step, triple, triple. We do a send out. And basic here. And then a come on back in. The rock step changes on both of those. The follow forwards. That was it. Yeah.